Hello and welcome back to another episode of Toy Therapy. I'm the host, the Toy Therapist, aka Matthew Rant, and today I'm going to do something which is non-official. I don't normally do non-official products on my channel. I'm hoping I might do a few more of them depending on what I can get my hands on, but I thought, what the hell, get this review done. It came in a post yesterday and I absolutely fell in love with it when I came across it on the I think it was the Star Wars Black Series by Saz page. This guy put up a post saying he was let down by someone else that he was commissioned to do this, and he let him down. So I immediately messaged the guy privately and said, yes, I'm interested, especially for the price. And with shipping, it came under £10. I mean, the item was like about £6, and I was fully painted with a stand. The stand, and the shipment as well. So you're looking at just under sort of about £9 there. Absolutely brilliant. And I thought, there's nothing better trying to recreate that first scene where the Mandalorian meets a child for the first time after that big important shootout as well, which was fantastic. And the show is amazing. I'm rewatching it again, and I'm enjoying this show. So like I said, I thought I'd just bring out the carbonized Mandalorian along with the child, like I said, just to recreate that, and I love this. So let me just put the Mando to one side and take out the child. So the base is a really nice simple base. It's got a nice lot of texture to it, and it's just a stick. I think it's like a cocktail stick or something, but okay. But for what it is, it's very well done for something that is just not in circulation. I am going to look into replacing this with something that is transparent. But anyway, let's get to the crib. Okay, you can see it's all 3D printed. You can see the lines there. Okay, this could have done with a couple extra coats and a bit of sanding and a bit of coating and a bit of sanding just to get rid of some of the lines. But you're not really gonna, unless you really go really close to it, you're not gonna tell. The inside's painted, and it's painted pretty accurate to the show. And you can see some of the lines in there as well, but that doesn't bother me at all. I just want something for the child to go, and when I get all my figures out on display, this is absolutely perfect. I think the Mandalorian one is a bit more not oval, but this is more oval. But I think the Mandalorian is more of a circle. That doesn't bother me at all. This doesn't bother me. It is a very well put together fan thing. Absolutely love this. The guy told me as well he got the files from the Thingiverse or Thingiverse. So I think they're on Facebook. So if you're interested in getting one, there's a guy on there selling these for about £15 each, and I'm pretty sure that could be with shipping as well. So if you go on Facebook, I'll put it into the I'll put all links into the bottom if I remember, but I will try my best to put some little links to it. I am going to do a little bit of tidying up to it, just a little bit. Just a bit of shading, bit of contrasting, but other than that, I don't have to do too much to it. It is absolutely so well painted. I mean, all it was is this car spray paint and some of the paint on the inside there, but so stoked. I mean, the only thing I'm going to do is just try and clear up some of that grey that got the back there, but other than that, that's all I'm really going to do. It's not much tidying up I need to do, but if it's the child, very perfectly. I mean, I know you can lie the child down, but that looks stupid, and plus that annoys me all around there. I'm gonna have to try and take that off, but I might even actually just put a bit of blue tack at the bottom so I can just keep him in there so he just stays in there properly, but without any wobbling. But really impressed with this. I am really happy. The money I spent on it, absolutely perfect. And I am going to do a couple of little modifications to it, just little things, like I said, mainly just that, by replacing that for something transparent and just do a little bit more tidy up on the paint work. But other than that, really impressed. It's really good quality. It's nice and heavy. I mean, and as well in the quality of the plastic as well, even though it's 3D printed, it is nice and heavy as well. So Really good quality, and I am really happy with it. And plus, it's another reason just to get the Mandalorian out as well. I've just pre-ordered as well yesterday Jango Fett from the game line, but I don't care if it's from the game line. I just wanted that up-to-date head sculpt, and plus they've done some new paint work on Jango Fett as well, and he just pops so much more. So, and that comes out in October. But I got him all paid for, done and sorted. So anyway, this is Toy Therapy signing on. Until next time, I'll see you again with another review. I just had a notification to this morning that my next couple of WWE figures has been released. I got Pete Dunne on the way, and I've got Hot Rod Roddy Piper coming to me very soon. I should get that over the weekend, possibly Saturday, so I can't wait to get those. And I need to do some catching up as well on my Star Wars figurines. So not my Star Wars figurines, my wrestling figurines. I got a lot of catching up to do. I had a lot of damaged items, and I had to get them replaced, so that's one of the reasons why that had been a bit slow doing that. So this is Toy Therapy signing out. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Please give me a like, share, subscribe. That would be brilliant. And even that thumbs up, that's always helpful. And I'll see you guys and girls again next time.